In this video, I want to talk to you about another whole number data type called an int. So an int can hold a whole number and it's 4 bytes big. And I declare it by saying int space num semicolon. So num is a variable of type int and it's going to be 4 bytes big. Well, here are the 4 bytes. There are 32 total wires. You can see I've got the values here: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Keep going. Multiply everything by 2. 256, 512, 1024, and so forth. Now, what would happen if I said num is equal to 0? All these bits would be off. How about 1? Num is equal to 1. Just turn on the 1 bit. How about num is equal to 4? Just turn on the 4 bit. How about num is 5? The 4 and the 1. How about num is 32,770? Turn on this 32,768 and the 2. How about 131,075? I turn this one on and the 2 and the 1. Now you keep on going here in terms of these numbers here would keep multiplying by 2, and I believe the last bit here would be 2 billion and something. And there's a total of 4 billion possibilities. So roughly, approximately 4 billion possibilities with 0 in the middle. We go to the left, negative 2 billion, to the right, positive 2 billion. So the range of an int is negative 2 billion to plus 2 billion, and this is how I would store it. It can only store whole numbers. If you want to get a negative one, I can tell you that all 32 wires are going to be on. How did I get that? I find a positive one, I flip the bits and add 1. If you want to find a negative 512, you find the positive 512, and then you flip all the bits and you add 1. The same as we did for a byte, the same as we did for a shark. We flip the bits and add 1 to find the negative whole value. So anyway, that's an int, 4 bytes big, holds a whole number. The range is from negative 2 billion to plus 2 billion.